Ever wondered what IBD truly means? Inflammatory bowel disease encompasses conditions that puzzle many. Crohn's disease can affect any part of your digestive tract, triggering deep, patchy inflammation that disrupts daily life. In contrast, ulcerative colitis targets only the colon and rectum, causing continuous surface inflammation. Even though they involve the same immune-driven process, their differences require distinct nutritional and healing approaches. Understanding your specific condition empowers you to make informed decisions about diet and integrative health strategies, ultimately promoting gut healing and wellness. Knowledge is your first step toward confidence and control over your health. Embrace clarity, empower your journey, and discover effective food as medicine solutions. Follow for more insights and practical guidance on living well with IBD. Your understanding fuels remarkable transformation and leads to a healthier future every single day.